we're gonna start the day shipping with some models. Next we have Helena and Victoria and this custom blue diesel. Nice stripes. Very cool custom. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm shipping this one today. Yep, it's working. Nice. This boy too. Okay. Testing. Oops. All right, I need to test remote control Percy, Ned. Also sending this today. Now, this remote, I don't know if they saw it on the video on eBay, but I'm holding the remote since this remote does not lock. You need to keep it hold and moving, so it keeps moving. I think it's described on the video. I show it on the video, showcase in the video on eBay. But it's working. So also we are ready to send a lot of these. All right, thanks to this customer who ordered these red branch line coaches with the white rooftop. Maybe you don't see right there. You can see this. Here is. Hold on, let me reduce the lightning. That's too much light, too bright. Okay, these are for Stephen Rocket. These open-topped carriages, and this same person ordered "Thank you for your business." This black rooftop with red branch line coaches, and also these blue ones. 3D printed. If you guys want to buy some of these, check the link in the description. I think we have batteries for Ned. Yes, Ned is right here. So as you might notice lately, I'm doing test and run. Look at this Ned. Ooh, almost fall off. Bless you. But like I said, it's working. Works pretty good. Yeah, see, the thing is, when you have handheld the phone, the camera, you cannot move this arm, or the shovel, whatever you name this thing. But it's good, it's running good. Same as these passenger cars. Yeah, this person ordered all these. Thanks for your business. So as you can see, they are ready. I'm supposed to send it on Monday, but I'm gonna put them on the mail today, getting ready. So it's Saturday, so you may be watching this video on Sunday, but I'm posting these. These are ready. I also need to put another one more of these. I need to put on the mail. One more thing I need to do some tests is on Cranky the crane. Also, I'm gonna ship this today. So in order to make sure this thing works, I need to test. If it doesn't work, I need to find the replacement.
Hello, I'm Cranky.
Well, at least it's talking. Now there is one button on the back of this Cranky crane. If you move the switch halfway, that's for the non-torquing function, so you still can move. What I mean is you can operate without the noise, you know. That's a good feature of this Cranky the crane. Now if I turn the switch, let me move. I'm gonna turn Cranky this way so you can see it. There goes the hook. Going down. Now the good function, what I like about this is the home button. Just press it once and it will move until it aligns to the front part of the Cranky. So there's a ladder that is
load, you deliver.
right here on this side. But like I say, I'm going to move Cranky the crane. Testing. Make sure it works. So I think this is the last one I have. There are other Crankies that I do not have the remote, but I will post them for sale because I'm trying to sell everything. I need the garage clear so we can make a studio and 3D printing. But this Cranky crane is working good. This is a Trackmaster Revolution Thomas, and here is a snowplow for Trackmaster Revolution Thomas. That looks good. Now these snowplows are only designed for flat surfaces. I do not recommend for slope tracks as it might not work on a ramp. Now if you are interested, check the link in the description. Now also, these are not the same for other engines, so every engine is different. And this is Edward's snowplow, Trackmaster Revolutions, also different. So I'm gonna swap to show you why every snowplow is different. This is a snowplow designed for Edward, and if you can see here, it is on the track. So do not try to fit other engines. And there are specific engines, snowplows for specific engines. Now allow me to explain something else. If you are about to replace a snowplow, you need to push this side that way up and pull. So we also have for Trackmaster Revolutions Percy. I'm working on those. If you want to get one of those, check the link in the description. Now in order to put these snowplows, you push one side first like this and the other side. Now snaps tight. And also if you want to remove the snowplow, push one side off and then the other side. Easy as it looks. I'm gonna swap the chassis. I mean the chassis has the same height, the same dimension, so you get the idea. It doesn't matter the color. Now here's how Percy looks. Trackmaster Revolutions Percy looks awesome. I'm working on other designs. Check the link in the description. We'll be posting these soon for other engines. These are already on my eBay store. They do look really good.